Hello everyone. So welcome to our channel. So today we are going to do analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hope you have seen the video which I've shared on last Friday related to the analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. Exactly, Nifty opened the gap up to our target level 25,888 we were targeting. So Nifty has opened exactly to that level 25,888. Now what next in Nifty? Okay, so we are going to see what can happen next in Nifty. So now we have already achieved our target. As per the last video I said 25,888 will be our ultimate target as if now, which I am seeing in Nifty. But we said we will go with 25,777 as first target and 25,888 as second target on the breakout of this trend line. So this trend line got broken on Friday itself. Today we have seen gap up and market exactly opened at 25,888 today. So that is not a coincidence. So this is where you have the resistance still. There are sellers sitting here at 25,888 level, so we have to be careful. So now what is our game plan in Nifty for tomorrow expiry day? Okay, so the game plan is very much simple in Nifty. You should not keep complicated game plan in Nifty. Again, on the breakout of 25,888 level, okay, on the breakout of this level 25,888 level, when a 15 minutes candle close about 25,888 level, so we will be entering into the position. So as tomorrow is expiry, don't try for hero zero trades. So that is all a gambling game. So try with next week options if you want to capture good points with clean mindset. If you are trading with the current week options tomorrow, so you will have the volatility too much in the options. Though you are seeing the market moving in your direction, you might not see premium increasing in your option. Okay, so that traps will happen on the expiry day. So on the breakout of 25,888, our game plan is simple. So our first target will be 26k. So again, this is a psychological number. So we have to aim for this target as a first target. Once we achieve this target and when we get a good closing above this target, so we can then go for 26,122 as our next target. 26,122. Above this, if a candle close 15-minute candle, then we can go with the all-time high as our target. So we can aim for 26,355. But I don't think this will happen tomorrow itself. In case if it happens with gap up, if market opens gap up at 26k tomorrow, you should wait for a dip, and in that dip you have to see the reversal pattern. Okay, it can be like this reversal pattern. When you see this kind of higher highs, higher lows pattern in the dip, so you can enter on the breakout of this neckline on the higher lows, higher highs pattern. Then you can aim for 26k target. In case if market opens flat, okay, somewhere here between 26,888 to 26,777, you have to wait. There is no trade if market opens between 25,888, 25,888 and 25,777 zone. Okay, if market opens between this zone, so we have to wait and watch. There is no trade, no need to trade mandatorily. So in case if market opens in between this range, you have to wait for the breakout of 25,888 or for the breakdown of 25,777. If market gives a breakdown of 25,777, if good red candle closes below this level, then our aim is this gap filling, which is 25,688 will be our target, or else we can keep it as 25,666. fancy number. So we go with fancy numbers. So 25,666 will be our target in case if market gives a breakdown of 25,777. Okay. In case if market still goes below 25,666, then we might see the next target as 25,555. So just keep 100 points as a target in Nifty. Don't keep very big as a target in Nifty, because already on budget day we have seen a uh, big down movement, and on very next 2 days we have seen a good gap up. So market now stuck in range. Either it have to cross all-time high or else it have to cross the budget day low. Between this range, you will have to trail 100 points. You don't get big targets between this range, all-time high and budget day low. There will be lot of volatility and there will be a fight of between sellers and buyers. So you have to purely play on the levels. Okay, if you are not playing with levels, then you will get trapped. Today you might see profit, but next day you will lose that profit. Okay, the game plan is simple in Nifty. On the breakout of 25,888, if at 15 minutes candle close, your target is 26,000 as a first target. If any strong candle close above this level, 26,122 as our second target. If any candle close above this level, then our ultimate target is 26,555. Okay, so if you have entered with 5 lots, book 2 lots or 3 lots at 26K, hold other 2 lots with a decent stop loss above your break even and aim for this target. And in case if you achieve this target, book 1 lot, other lot you hold for 26,355 target. Okay, so if you are trading with only 1 lot, so obviously when this target is achieved, you have to trail accordingly as per your risk reward. And the downside move is only below 25,777. If any candle close below 25,777 15-minute candle, you will aim for this as your first target, 25,666, and 25,555 as your next target. Okay, this is a game plan for tomorrow in Nifty. Now let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what we discussed. So I've clearly told you, outside of this range you will see the target 6 1122 and 61,333. So today where market opened, so it opened at 60,885, almost it opened at 60,900. So we were near to this target 61,122. Okay, so now the game plan in Bank Nifty is, if it crosses this high, which is 60,888, when Bank Nifty crosses today high, which is 60,888, okay, then you should aim for a target, draw a fib on this candle, which is our red candle. Let me remove this volume indicator. So let me draw a fib here and see what can be our first target in Bank Nifty. If you do complex analysis, too much analysis, that will lead to paralysis. So we have to keep very simple our analysis. So above 60,888, our target in Bank Nifty is 61,122 again. Okay, above 61,122, our next target is 61,366. Above this, our target will be high of this candle, which is 61,777. Okay, so there is no expiry for Bank Nifty tomorrow. You can trade with any of the options, OTM, ITM, ATM, whatever it is, up to you. You can trade with the ATM or OTM options. Okay, in the money is not preferred in Bank Nifty because this is a monthly expiry. So you can trade with ATM or 1 or 2 strikes away from the ATM. That should be fine in Bank Nifty. But the game plan for tomorrow is on the breakout of 60,888 level. So you will be targeting for 61,222, and next is 61,366, and next is 61,777. Now, what is our game plan for downside move? Okay, as I said on Friday also, I am little spectacle on the downside move. I don't see we see a good fall in either Nifty or Bank Nifty, because the at the moment the sentiment is bullish based on the price action. So we will be not seeing that great fall in Nifty or Bank Nifty at the moment, unless and until price turns to be negative. At the moment, as per the price action, it is positive. So in Bank Nifty, as I said, the breakdown of this trend line, then only we will see a down move in Bank Nifty. So the trend line breakdown is when it breaks 60,333 level. Okay, when it breaks 60,333 level, then we can aim for this level, which is 59,777 level. Okay, if this level breaks, we can aim for this target. But again, this is how many points difference? Almost 500 points. So in Bank Nifty, you can trail by 150 points. Okay, once after a breakdown of triple three 60,333 level, you can trail. Once you achieve your 150 points target below this level, it can be 60,000 100 level. When you achieve 60,100 level, you can trail your stop loss to cost or 50 100 points away from the current market price, and then you can aim for this target as your ultimate target in Bank Nifty. But I'm not seeing it is coming down unless and until there is some bad news coming into the market again. But as per the price, we are not seeing any down movement at the moment, because in bullish market you will see gap ups. When you are seeing gap ups, then the market is bullish. In the bearish market, you will see gap downs, runaway gaps. Okay, when you see gap downs in bearish market, it means that there is strong selling happening in the market. In the same way, opposite to bearish market, when you see runaway gaps upside, it means that bullish strength is high. Okay, bullish sentiment is high, and people are looking to buy, enter into stocks, enter into futures, enter into indexes. Okay, so better stay with the trend and wait for the levels, either breakout or breakdown as discussed in this video, and accordingly you can trade. Thank you everyone for watching this video. So please like and subscribe to this channel so that we can get more videos on this channel, not only analysis. So I will be also posting some strategy videos, how you have to analyze, how you have to do fib extensions, all these things. So we you will be seeing these kind of videos also in the upcoming days. I will start a series of a price action, basic to advanced. So you will get to learn many things from basic price action to advanced price action as part of our channel. Thank you everyone.